People think TypeScript is just some extra nerdy JavaScript, but that is the biggest lie when you actually know what TypeScript is. Big tech companies like Google, Microsoft, Meta, Airbnb, they use TypeScript, and they don't adopt technologies for fun or because it's trending on Twitter. They use it because bugs cost money. And at their scale, one missing semicolon isn't just a warning, it's $1 million outage. They adopt them because they hate losing millions. So in this video, we're going to break down which big tech companies actually shifted their code bases to TypeScript and why they made that decision, and most importantly, is it okay for you to learn TypeScript directly without mastering JavaScript first? And make sure to stick around till the end, because the last part will probably change the way you think about learning TypeScript. Let's get into it. Let's quickly look at which big tech companies actually shifted their code bases to TypeScript and why. Dropbox was one of the earliest adopters. They switched from CoffeeScript to TypeScript because their front end was getting huge, messy, and impossible to scale safely. Types gave them stability. In 2020, Airbnb made TypeScript their official front-end language. Their reason? Too many bugs, too many regressions, and way too much JavaScript ambiguity for a company operating at global scale. In 2021, Google spent 13 months migrating Chrome DevTools to TypeScript. Why? Because DevTools is massive, and TypeScript gave them predictable, safer code and better tooling. The biggest shift came from Stripe in 2022. They migrated 3.7 million lines of code from Flow to TypeScript. Reason? TypeScript made refactoring easier and reduced development risk across thousands of files. TypeScript doesn't magically write better code. It just stops you from writing stupid code. And hey, if this is making things clear, feel free to like and subscribe. Only if it's actually helping you. No pressure. All right, is it okay to learn TypeScript directly? Here's the truth people don't want to say. Yes, you can learn TypeScript directly, but you shouldn't skip JavaScript completely. TypeScript makes sense only after JavaScript. Skipping JS is like skipping the foundation of a building. If you're a complete beginner, starting with TS can feel like learning two languages at once. JavaScript behavior, TypeScript rules, React components, hooks, types. Your brain may throw thoughts like, quit it, this isn't for you, or you're not smart enough for this. Here's the bonus part, and honestly, this is the only part that really matters. If you want the clearest path into TypeScript without confusion, learn JavaScript basics for 7 to 10 days. Variables, to arrays, to objects, to functions, to promises, to async await. Then switch to TypeScript, immediately. Not after 6 months, not after 5 projects, immediately after the basics. That's the sweet spot. So yes, big tech companies use TypeScript because every bug comes with $1 million price tag. And about learning TypeScript, do it early, do it confidently, just don't skip the foundation. If you want me to break down React plus TypeScript, just comment part 2 below. Because trust me, this story is just getting started. And again, make sure to hit like and subscribe.